Hi everyone. In this video in grade 8 we have chapter 2 section 6, which is about factoring using difference of two squares. Difference of two squares, at first we have to know that difference we mean subtraction minus what we talk about, it's all minus between two things. What are these two things? Two squares. Two squares means we mean power 2. Two numbers power 2 or two unknown values power 2, which is minus between them. How we factor them? Whenever we have something like that, we always have a rule that we can use to factor, which is we open two brackets like that always. The first number, it is square x in both of the sides. Then in one of the brackets minus, the other one plus, always. It's x power 2 x. In one of the brackets minus, the other one plus. And the second one the same, y power 2. Here we have y. Always you'll get like that. Open two brackets, x, one of them minus, one of them plus, then y, the second one. Sorry. Then for the second one we have x power 2 minus 25, which is number. But we know that this number is a number power 2, which is, we know 5 power 2 is 25. 25 is a perfect square, which is came from 5 power 2. So for this case we know that this is x power 2 minus 5 power 2. So we say the same thing. We open two brackets, x minus plus 5. Then if you want to check, you can multiply this bracket by this one, x multiply x multiply by positive 5, then negative 5 multiply x, negative 5 multiply positive 5, you will get the same result as we have. Then for the last one, 4x power 2. 4 is a perfect square, which is came from 2 power 2. This is a perfect square with the x. X is power 2 and this is 2 power 2. We can say 2x power 2 minus, and 49 as well, it's a perfect square which came from 7 power 2. So we can say 7y power 2. If it's not a perfect square, the number, we cannot factor by the difference of two squares. But when we see that both of them, they are perfect squares and we have power 2 for the letters, so that's it, we can do. We open two brackets again, 2x minus plus, as always, 7y. That's how we use the difference of two squares. Then if we solve another example, which is we need some step more to do, maybe in some of the examples directly we cannot say that this is perfect square. But if we have common factor, we will take the common factor out, then we can solve. Let's see how we do. Let's solve two more examples, which is 5x power 2 minus 5y power 2. This is one of them. and the other one we can say 3x power 2 minus 75. For these two, if you look from the numbers, from the unknown values, it's x power 2, y power 2, they are okay. But here we have 5. 5 is not a perfect square itself. But here we have 5, here we have 5. Between these two terms we can take common factor, which is 5. We can take 5 as common factor between them. Then we open a bracket. 5x power 2 divided by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. And we will write x power 2 minus 5 divided by 5 again 1, y power 2. This is 1x power 2 minus 1y power 2. Now this is a perfect square. We took a common factor between them, which is 5. Both of them can be divided by 5. We took 5 as common factor. Then we solve. 5, then 2 brackets. The 2 brackets, x minus plus y. Just like that we did. The other one, if you look, x power 2 minus 75. 75 is not a perfect square. Even 3 is not a perfect square. But these two numbers, both of them can be divided by 3. We take 3 as common factor. 3x power 2 divided by 3. 3 divided by 3, it's 1. 1x power 2 minus 75 divided by 3. We will get 25. And we know 25 is a perfect square. Now we can do 3, and we open 2 brackets, x. We know this came from 5 power 2. So we write minus 5 and then plus 5. The same thing as we did from the example that we had before. X power 2 minus 25. It means x power 2 minus 5 power 2. So x minus 5, x plus 5. That's how we do if they are not perfect squares at the beginning, but you can take common factor between them. At first we will take the common factor, then we will solve by the difference of two squares. That's all about solving by difference of two squares. I hope you all got it, and thanks for watching.